This video will show you how to replace the thermostat on a Vitrifrigo D20 or D30A drawer fridge. The button on the far left powers the unit on. Once the unit is powered on, I will now press the snowflake button. This puts the unit into freezer mode. You can confirm this because all of the blue lights are shown on the right hand side. I will now press the button again to take it back out of freezer mode and into fridge mode. The next button looks like a little bed. This does night mode. When the fridge is in this mode, the compressor and fan runs at the lowest setting to keep it as quiet as possible. Back out of night mode, I will now demonstrate by pressing the set button the different power levels for the thermostat. So with the blue light illuminated on the left, that would be the warmest setting. And then as the blue bar goes over to the right hand side, right for the coldest. To replace the thermostat, the first step will be to remove the drawer. If you slide the drawer open and locate the black lever on the side, there's one on both sides. You can see in the video this side I'm pushing down, so the lever on the other side will be going up. The next step will be to locate the two Phillips screws holding the housing in place. You will need to remove these screws so we can lower the housing. Once the screws have been removed, you can lower the surround and unplug it as shown in the video here. The thermostat panel is a sticker, so you will need to carefully remove the old panel, slide the plug through the front, and then you'll get your replacement panel, and it's the reverse. So slide it in and then stick it into the recess. I am now going to use some food safe sealant to seal in the thermostat surround. This will ensure that no moisture can enter the area. Once you have applied the sealant, you can plug the panel back in and push the surround into place. Once the panel is back in place, insert the two screws and wipe off any excess sealant. Once the housing has been screwed back into place, you will need to wet your finger and run it around the edge to ensure that the sealant has formed a proper seal and there are no holes left behind. Push the drawer runners back into the fridge cabinet to make it easier to refit the drawer. You will need to line the runners up, push the drawer closed, pull it back out and make sure the runners are in correctly. This job is now complete.